Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi guys, Samantha Book International Schools, and we study science together. Today, inshallah, we're gonna talk about session 4, lesson 1. What are some groups of living things? You can find this in your book, page 63. Okay, so today we're gonna complete the groups of animals. Animals group. Animal may be with backbone, means some bones in the middle of its back, or like us, or without backbones. Okay, so backbones, to remember, backbone is the set of bones along the middle of the back, like in this fish, or in this bird, or in this cow, or in this lizard. Or if you touch your back, you can find the middle of your back, you can find those bones. Okay, this is backbone. Okay guys, if we look here, animals with backbones, last session we talked about mammals, birds, fish, and we don't talk about reptiles and amphibians. So today, inshallah, we're gonna talk about reptiles and amphibians. So let's start with reptiles. Let's watch this video together.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about some very interesting vertebrate animals. We present the reptiles. Reptiles are vertebrate animals which are characterized by their special way of moving. Many move by dragging their tummy or abdomen on or close to the ground. Their name in Latin means just that. Andare means to crawl or slither. Many are terrestrial. There are also some that live in water. All reptiles have a number of characteristics we should know about so we can recognize them. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals that breathe with their lungs.
So guys, now if you look at this turtle, we know this is reptiles. So this turtle is mammals? No. This turtle is fish? No. This turtle is birds? No. This turtle is reptiles. Reptiles. It have backbone, and this turtle have dry skin. Means its skin look dry without any moist or any water. It has dry skin. It has dry skin, and it has some scales on its body. Scales like the fish. It have some scales like this. Scales like fish on its body. Look, those are scales. So reptile's body covered with scales. Excellent, guys. So let's talk more about amphibians.
Hello everybody. Today we're going to look at a truly amazing group of vertebrates. When they're born, they usually live in water, but when they grow up and become adults, they spend most of their time on land. We present the amphibians.
So guys, as you see here, this frog is not mammals, not birds, not fish, not reptiles. It's amphibians. This frog is amphibians. It has wet skin. Its skin look like it have some water, but there is no water. It has wet skin. Wet skin. Looks like it have some water on it. Okay, guys? So, frog have backbone. Have backbone. It's amphibians. So, frog and salamander. We can find salamander in the beginning of the session here. This is salamander. Salamander and frog are amphibians. Amphibians. Okay, guys. If we back to the book, page 63, we can find group number 4. Reptiles have backbones, of course. Most reptiles have dry skin like this turtle, and reptiles have scales on its body like the fish. Amphibians, it's group number 5. Have backbones, of course. This salamander and frogs have backbones. Amphibians have smooth, wet skin. Smooth and wet. Okay, guys? So, the other group, insects or ants, all those insects don't have backbones. Those are animals without backbones, and this is the largest group of animals. Those animals without backbones is the largest group of animals. Means those animals much more numbers of animals. Okay, so it don't have backbones. Insects are parts of this group. All insects have 6 legs. Let's count together those legs of the ant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are 6 legs. Those are 6 legs. Ants and insects have 6 legs. Okay, teacher, what are those? Those are not legs. Those are antennae. Okay, guys? So, if we look at the booklet, animals with backbones, like mammals, we already talked about them, birds, fish. Today we talk about reptiles, like the turtle, amphibians, like salamander and frog. Excellent, salamander and frog. So here we can find another group, the other group of animals, which are the largest group, super, of animals. Insects are parts of this group, like the ant have 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. Okay, guys, let's watch this video together to know more about animals without backbones.
Caterpillar. Butterfly. Ladybug. Worm. Grasshopper. Beetle.
So guys, all those are animals without backbones. So we have some new words for today, so bring your notebooks. We're gonna write down those words. Turtle. Turtle is mammals? No. Turtle is birds? It have wings? No. So turtle is reptiles. 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 Super, guys. Frog and salamander. Frog and salamander. those are fish. No. So those are amphibians. Amphibians. Okay, guys, amphibians. Super. Okay, the largest group of animal is animals without backbones. Those are, who can tell me those are what? Insects. Super. Insects. Those are insects. They don't have backbones, and most of them or insects have 6 legs, like this bee, this grasshopper, okay, and the ant. Okay, guys, super. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.